This video explains how to complete the Teams reflection worth 5% that is due on Sunday, November the 8th at 6 p.m. Please be sure to submit it to the assignment Dropbox in DC Connect by that time and that date. So these instructions are printed or posted, in DC Connect. If you click on the assignment in the Dropbox, you'll be able to read them there. And what you're going to do is you're going to reflect on everything that you learned in week 5 and week 6 about working in teams, working in groups, group members, rules, things like that, and conflict. And you're going to apply what you learned to solve a problem, to address a situation. Okay, so here's the scenario. You're a member of a team for an assignment at school. This is who's on the team. One of the people on the team is like this, one of them like this, one of them like this. I don't know about the other people on the team right now. So what I want you to do is apply what you've learned. Okay, think about it by identifying 3 things you can do to help your team work collaboratively. So remember what the word collaboratively means. To achieve its goal of completing the assignment successfully and on time. So specifically what I want you to do is in your answer that you post, it's about a 400 to 500 word answer. I want you to cite the information that you learned by referring to the author and the title of the work where the information was published. So in my example here, I've said, as quoted by the instructor, that's me, in the ITSE slides in week 6, according to Mary Missison in Showing Our True Colors, people who have the personality traits of gold are excellent, Okay, so you can't just make up an answer and tell me how you would solve the problem. That's great and very creative, but I want you to specifically reference at least 3 things you've learned about group work and teamwork and how to make sure a team runs successfully and achieves its goal. So 3 things you've learned, cite them. You don't need to do a full APA citation, just cite them the way I did right here. And tell me how you'd help that team achieve its goal. And then submit your answer to the comments box. So you can type your answer in MS Word, so you're taking advantage of their editor, but then just copy and paste it into the comments box. And if, a gentle reminder, if you need an extension, email me. Do not post your request in MS Teams. Thanks.